Hi guys, Happy New Year! It is now 2018. Where did 2017 go? Honestly, I feel like the year just went so quick. But I just thought I'd come on and tell you guys some of my goals and like New Year's resolutions for the year, because I feel like I set these every year and then I just forget about them. But if I have it encased in a video, like I can just look back at it and be like, yeah, that's what I gotta do. Those are the yearly goals. I just want everything to go well for me. I want to be like financially stable and just happy. I want YouTube to just go really well. I mean, last year YouTube done really well for me. I was really happy. My videos were like banging basically. And you know, I just want the same this year, if not better. I put a lot of effort into my videos, so I do want them to go well, you know. Instagram this year has been like fluctuating up and down. I'm just not sure. I started doing videos, but now I'm just like, But yeah, the main goal for 2018 for my Instagram is to hit 20,000 followers, because I've been like stuck on 17,000 for ages. I went up to like 17.2, then I dropped back down to 17, so I don't know what really happened there. Interesting fun fact is that I started up my own Twitch channel as well. So I did start a gaming channel this year. Well, 2017 I started a gaming channel and I kind of like just left it. I ended up uploading like Funko videos and stuff on there. So then I thought, okay, I'll try Twitch. And my Twitch channel is actually going really, really well. I'm really like happy and excited to start my journey into like Twitch and the life of a Twitch streamer basically. But obviously I hope that goes well for me in 2018. Personal goals and resolutions. I want to be like more confident when I drive. I mean, I passed my test so long ago and I still am not a confident driver. I know it's like practice makes perfect, so it's just me going out in the car. But you know, I would love to just be confident enough to drive wherever I needed to. If I wanted to go to London, I want to be able to drive to London and not have to be like, oh, you know, I don't know, I'm a bit scared about the roads. Another one is that I want to get fit. Like, I know I am not fat. I know I do not need to go on a diet or exercise or anything like that. But I would like my body to be fit, because it's not. I don't eat properly, so I'm going to start like eating healthy, you know, how everyone says. But I'm going to actually start eating proper food rather than just crisps all the time. And I just want to like tone up a bit, you know. I want a good body this year, and I want to put good things into my body. I just want to start looking after myself, and I think that's all part of growing up really. I'm going to be 20 this year, and it's all surreal. It is surreal. I'm growing up. New Year wasn't as exciting as it used to be to me. I couldn't even see any fireworks, for Christ's sake. I was looking outside my window like, hello, fireworks. But yeah, I've got big plans for 2018. I really do. Hopefully, if everything goes well. I'm just watching a cat, don't worry. Another thing that I want to start doing more in 2018 is working more with other influencers, other YouTubers, other Instagrammers, and like more brands this year. I feel like I can just give so much to everyone that I want to start like working with more people. I mean, I did make some nice friends throughout 2017, but I just don't feel like I made enough. I'm kind of like a loner all by myself over here. But I do have some fun collabs planned for like March time. I know I'm going to be going shopping, charity shopping, doing a little charity shop sort of collab with someone. I'm not going to tell you who yet. I mean, she knows who she is. But, you know, I want to be more out there with everyone this year rather than just sticking away in my tiny little lower stuffed hole. That sounded so bad. I might still be a bit hungover from last night, to be honest. I did a live stream on Twitch. That's what I mean. I'm really like focusing on Twitch. I'm focusing on YouTube. I'm focusing on like everything this year so much that I actually stayed in on New Year's Eve and streamed. Main part of that was I didn't have any friends, as I said, so I couldn't have gone out. I'm broke, so. I hope everyone does have like an amazing year this year. If you go into the year with a positive mindset, things are going to be good. That's all I keep telling myself. Go in, be happy, be positive. The world will, you know, give it back to you. But you put out what you get back, right? So positivity out, amazing shit coming back in. As for the like videos and content this year, I have got a lot of things planned. I realise I say but a lot. And so. Maybe my New Year's resolution should be to stop saying them so often. And anyway, guys. But say I've done it again. I have some really exciting videos planned, especially with the AliExpress hauls and stuff. You guys know that I really like doing them in 2017. I'm going to continue to do them in 2018. Obviously, I just don't use the makeup. Charity shop hauls are going to be coming back full force this year. Same with car boot hauls. I cannot wait for the car boot season to come back. Guys, I'm like, I can't wait. There's exciting things coming this year, whether you're a follower on Twitch, whether you're a follower on Instagram, or whether you're a subscriber here on YouTube. This year is going to be my year. I can feel it. I really, really can feel it. And I just feel like everyone should just go for whatever they want this year. Last year was as bad as it could get in my opinion. This year is going to be our year, guys. I promise you that. If you guys have got any like goals or resolutions that you want to try and achieve this year, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to know yours. I mean, I've got plenty. I just can't remember all of them right now. Like, obviously, I still want to quit smoking. I'm down to, like, 2 fags a day. And I still can't quit smoking. That's going to be, like, the main goal for this year, I think. Bobby, do you have any resolutions or goals?
Number 6, please. With a side of fries.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and my next video obviously will be a lot longer, and it will be like a makeup video and not just me rambling on about things I want to do. But yeah, I'm hyped, guys. I am hyped for 2018, and I'll see you through it. See you later.